As we are well aware, Ripple and XRP have made a huge move. After years of uncertainty, Ripple is back in the news. It is in the spotlight once again. And this game-changing news could signal mass adoption and a total price transformation for XRP. In today's update, we will dive deep into this news, explain why it's a major win for Ripple. We will also discuss today what this means for the lawsuit with the SEC, how this could trigger a wave of potential new partnerships and integrations for XRP, and we will also look at the potential impact on price for the native token XRP. Are we finally heading to $5 potentially this year for XRP? We'll discuss it all in today's update. So first of all, that legal win boosting the XRP token amid the ongoing SEC litigation. Thanks to a pivotal ruling in the US courts, the courts have denied the SEC's request for a substantial disgorgement award without the necessity of proving investor harm. But this is crucial as Ripple are gearing up for the counter of the SEC's claims. This, of course, happening on April 22nd. The outcome of the case revolving around the allegations of unregistered securities, this could significantly sway the legal battle in Ripple's favour. We already know what's going on there. Each and every one of us have our opinion on this shambolic case, but this is yet another win for Ripple. Things aren't looking good for the SEC. Everything else that they are trying to do, we're not going to go into that for today's update, but this, in my opinion, is yet another win for Brad Garlinghouse and for Ripple. But additionally to all of this, in the most bullish sense for Ripple, for XRP, is yet another monumental move. The stablecoin that Ripple are going to release is going to be huge. We already know that Ripple have got a large following and the adoption is not quite there just yet. Now, yes, that may be suppressed with the lawsuit from the SEC, and that's totally understandable. But having a backed stablecoin, well, that may just change things for XRP. Ripple are targeting to create that one-to-one backed stablecoin against the US dollar, which will be the alternative to the likes of USDT and USDC. Now, concerns are of course there. They always are with the likes of USDT and USDC. How Ripple, how XRP will do this differently, we of course will look into this more. But this is incredibly bullish for Ripple as a whole. The XRP army, I believe, should be huge and hyped for this move. With the stablecoin market over $150 billion, it is incredibly crowded. But what Ripple and what XRP could do differently could change things. With the XRPL, everything that is there is incredible, and this could be a widely adopted stablecoin, could be the natural replacement for those who have fear in USDT and USDC. Personally, I think this is huge going forward for Ripple, a major development, and I would love to know your guys' thoughts on this one in the comment section down below. I personally think this is a fantastic move for Ripple going forward. They will eventually, in my opinion, be classed as not a security. They will win the case, and that will be a registered project in the crypto space that is not a security with a stablecoin. Incredibly bullish in my opinion, and I would love to know your guys' thoughts on this. In terms of the price action of the native token, I want to have a look at yet again another wider look at this one. We covered this in the main channel earlier in the week. I encourage you guys to also check out that update. But we know that XRP is at a crucial point on the weekly time frame. Now, what we can see first of all is where the price action is currently sitting for XRP. We've been covering this over the weeks, and we are at that crucial stumbling block, the Gaussian channel on this weekly time frame. We are finding resistance on the upper level of the Gaussian channel. We can see this here around about 64.2 cents. Failing to close a weekly candle above the Gaussian channel since around about the week of Christmas. Yes, we have seen a pullback for XRP, but things could change and we could see that explosive movement. We were expecting that move, and we did hit the previous target between 73 and 79 cents when XRP pushed up to 74.4 cents on this weekly time frame. Price has consolidated and we have now came back down into the Gaussian channel and into that previous area where we're looking for XRP to have support. The weekly stochastic momentum correcting to the downside, price action not dramatically falling. Again, this does look good when you zoom out on these charts. We are finding support on that lower trend line once again, the white one forming here from March of 2023, tested in August of 23, tested again in February this year. We have found this as support throughout this year, and it looks likely to hold as support once again for the price action of XRP. Looking at the yellow trend line, that long-term trend line we looked at all of last year, well, Ripple had found it as support till it became resistance and has yet to be tested since. Coming up to test it on this weekly candle, well, we would be looking around about 85.7 cents. That would be an incredible move. I don't think it's going to happen this week, but we know the narrative is changing in the space. With the expectation of altcoins to have a rally, with the Bitcoin having just a matter of days away, things could be looking up, and XRP could be looking for that explosive breakout. Personally, I do think we are going to see some fantastic moves, especially when this lawsuit is finally finished. At that point, I expect to see XRP flourish. And of course, we can look at this through a different lens. We can look at this even wider for XRP and that potential $5 target. For that, of course, we would have to look at this on a really wide lens here. Yes, we know we are testing that Gaussian channel on the upper end. A closure above the Gaussian channel could be incredibly bullish, and that could be the signal that XRP is ready to go on a moon mission. That moon mission itself, first of all, having a target of $1.34 on this BitGet weekly perpetual chart. $1.34, the one-to-one of that initial push to the upside here, we do see it as a potential diagonal structure. But if XRP can have that moonshot push up to $2.81.753 on this BitGet weekly chart, well, that signals even bigger moves on the horizon for XRP. Hitting that impulsive level on that weekly time frame, well, that tells us we have more to come. And when we look at that, yes, we can expect a retracement, but at this point we can be cycling our profits, coming out on the wave 3, targeting that retracement in the wave 4, then targeting the moonshot for XRP, which is, in my opinion, a strong possibility. $3.35, $4.44. I think XRP most definitely has the opportunity to get to there. I call for $5 in the title of the video. $5, a nice round number. Psychologically, we could see the market push towards that level. A fantastic amount of gains. It will take a fantastic effort for the price action of XRP to get to that level. But in time, I do think that can happen. Whether it is this cycle or the next, time of course will tell. Personally, I think we will see that number sooner rather than later if XRP win the case. Would a settlement change my opinion? We would address that. We would have to understand how the market reacted. But we have seen with previous court cases with the SEC and settlements that the prices have still risen to the upside. I do think XRP is going to have that fantastic breakout. It's just a case of when it will happen. Let me know what you guys think of that in the comment section down below. It of course will be fantastic to hear. And yesterday I did speak about that news for VeChain, one that is incredibly bullish for myself. That of course is right here, guys. I encourage you to head on over and check it out.